Alright, good morning guys. So today we are going to make this highly anticipated, I guess it was seen more on TikTok, recipe of whipped coffee. Now, y'all already know how I am about recipes, but it does say it's a 1:1:1 ratio. So you have to get milk of your choice, you have to get sugar, instant coffee, and everything is tablespoon based. So what you're gonna start off with is a large bowl. It doesn't have to be metal, but I have heard that if you have metal, it tends to be a bit better and quicker, especially if you've already put it like in the freezer and stuff. But ain't nobody got time for that. So in a large mixing bowl, you're gonna place your coffee, sugar, and hot water. So I have a coffee machine, not to brag, that's what you're gonna hear. And I'm gonna whip out some super hot water. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get 2 tablespoons. Don't let my mama see, I'm using Folgers. I don't have Nescafe this time. Because my mama will kick my butt. She knows I'm taking her instant coffee, especially for something that who knows, no. It is not cottage cheese, it's sugar. And I believe this is just regular organic cane sugar. And it's also 2 tablespoons of that. Ay! Oopsies. Okay, well, gotta wash that now. And then using a hand mixer after your hot water. So let's make sure that, I don't think that's 2 tablespoons of hot water, but let us see. Oh, it's actually more than that. Dos. Well, I gypped the last one, 2. And then I still have water left over. But we're going to use that to measure our milk. And then it says, using a hand mixer, electric mixer, whisk until thick and creamy. Alright, let us see. You see that? Y'all see that? No. This is the not so fun part of it. It's starting to look like it's gonna come together. And it's been exactly somewhat of a minute. And you can see the color changing in the coffee. It was super dark. Now it's a little chocolate. Sorry, my lighting is horrible. It smells real good. Starting to get that caramel peanut butter color that everybody has on there. It's starting to kind of stick to the whisk, and I think that's the consistency that you guys want. Alright, for the sake of just getting it together, towards the end, I am going to combine it. Oh yeah. So the whisk doesn't allow you to actually feel the texture. And you can kind of, sort of, I think I want to go just a tad bit longer. I just wanted to combine. Now, who knows if you have to consistently whip it for, that felt like an eternity, but maybe you just have to constantly whisk it, and maybe that's what gets everybody messed up, is that they're not constantly whipping it. So let's give it a little more whirl. For some mixers, it took 5 minutes. For some, it took 3. Doing it by hand. I've seen some people, depending on, you know, the flick of the wrist, it takes 5 to 10 minutes also. But I want to say that is, oh yeah. See how it takes like years to come down? Ugh. Earlier it was super runny. Okay, so let's follow the ingredients. It says fill up 3/4 of a cup with cold milk and some ice cubes, but I saw this other recipe and it said 1/2 cup, so it's a little more than half. I put it in my glass. I miss my boba so much that I have a boba straw, because I can't find the other one. You know what? I'm actually going to top it a little more. There we go. Almond Breeze. This one is the vanilla one since we finished the other kind. And then it just says to top it. That's all it says to do, is to just top it with So, it don't matter if it doesn't taste good, which I don't see why it wouldn't. You still gotta eat it. Get as much as I can, because my mom be watching my videos, and if she knows that I am wasting her product, she gonna kill me. Now, I don't know if these people are supposed to mix it. It's like a Hershey's, whatchamacallit, like milkshake. Once you add the cold water and stuff, it starts to get thicker. And so obviously I wanna, of course, had to. I want y'all to see my very honest and first impressions, because I don't be lying. Call from wireless caller. Who be calling this early? Oh my god. Oh, stupid camera. Ah, my beanie. Anywho, I don't have my camera woman or man here, so let's go ahead and taste test this. Actually, I'm over here trying to listen to my mom's voicemail that they're leaving her. Oops, it's her prima. This is actually really good. I actually thought it was gonna be a fluke, like most of those TikTok thingamajiggers. So mine kind of looks like peanut butter. It looks like a caramel, like frap, latte, cappuccino type of vibe. I love it. I'm not sure if it's because Nescafe or Folgers, if it makes a difference. We ain't picky around here. You get what you get. You don't get upset. So this is Becky Uncut approved.